Hello, I'm Jivita. I'm from Chennai. I'm basically an aeronautical engineer by profession, but I got passionate about the yoga and I started my yoga journey from Kaivalya Dham, Lonavala. I have done my CCY over there, and then now I'm doing IAYT, Indian Association of Yoga Therapists course USAs at the Manushi Yoga Institute, which is in Chadabaram. And over here, the knowledge which they are giving is really good. And the Natarajan sir is teaching us from the basics and everything. Morning we are starting our yoga meditation sessions at the 6 a.m. which itself starts with the chakra meditations and pranayama, which is like an energy boost for us in the morning. And then we'll be having our practical sessions. After practical, the practical will be based on all the yoga therapy techniques, how the asanas will be applied for each and every disease. And each and every disease has been explained, the pathophysiology and everything. After that, we will be having in the afternoon even the practical sessions of it, like the assessments, the tools, how and all we have to assist each and every patient or the client, whoever is coming to us. So that also Natarajan sir made us to pair two people to each other, and he came to each and every one of us, and also he taught all the queries and everything. It was really good. And one of our favorite sayings of Natarajan sir was, whatever you think, if it happens, that's not positivity. Whatever happens, you have to accept it as is. That is positivity. And we whoever came here for the yoga therapy training course, we just loved it. We are here for the 10-day residential program, which is like too blessed that we are here. And we here friends, we all got in a good vibe. And we started telling that point each and among us on everyday basis, at least 2-3 times at any moment, we just keep like telling. And the Jayanti ma'am, she feeds us like how we are like children only, and she is like too good, and she made us on the day one only like to each one to greet each other by telling the positivity of each other. That was really good. Like day before day she made us do that. Even that was good. And in Kaivalya Dham, there's a tagline. Their tagline was the yoga tradition, where yoga tradition meets the science. And even in Manushi, they take each and every yoga therapy and they prove it everything scientifically, which is very good. I'm blessed that I'm here, and all the friends here, we are all of the same vibe. And Natarajan sir is also is catching up to our energy, which makes our class very energetic and enthusiastic. I'm happy to be here and blessed. And even we went to a one-day yoga trip to all the temples and everything, and there was like Nadamuni temple, Patanjali temple, like all the previous traditions and all we just saw, like we just read in the books, but those people have meditated here in each temple. Their places we have gone and seen, and we have meditated there and all. So like temple meditation is something which like Nadamuni bought it here. Previously that was only the forest meditation. From forest he brought it to the temples, and when these people made us like take us, the teachers and all made us meditate in the temples, which was having a really positive vibe. And all of us like enjoyed the temple trips, and even in the evening and all 3-4 days we went to the temples just for the meditation, which was really good. I'm blessed to be here. Yeah, thank you.